What's up, guys? It is me, Creepsy Chaos. Today, I am in Mineplex, as I said in one of my videos that I'd be doing this. Okay, so I just want to show you guys this really cool thing on this island. Yeah, look. You go around this tree, go around like over here, then you drop down, and then you go down here to see Anu. Look at him. We're in the void. X Anu or whatever. So that's really cool. I just want to show you that. There's something else. If you didn't know, hold on. I need a pearl. 3. Okay, so I guess we should just go over here. Last one. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oops. No. Okay, so once you're over here, just gotta run, walk, or whatever down here. Do a little bit of parkour. And yeah. Okay. Drop down. Oh my gosh, these people are finding all of them. Right there. Right here. Right where this guy is. Yep. Look at that. And then look, there's Carlos the cow. And then you're in here, in his lair. I think this is his lair. Here's the large chest. And look, there's another layer inside of this secret layer. Just down here. Sorry if you guys can't see. Which is his, where he brews stuff. Okay, let's play a game. What is death tag? Death tag rules. Where? Oh, this is not arcade games. How do I get to arcade games? It's probably the most simple thing, and I probably went over it 50 times. Let's just go, there it is. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Hold on. What is this? Turf Wars, One in the Quiver, Gladiators, Sheep Quest. I guess we'll go play Turf Wars, Turf World. I don't want to play Gladiators or Sheep Quest. I swear I just saw Death Tag. I swear I saw Death Tag. This is taking up all my time. So I'm just going to do /hub/lobby. Let's just play Super Smash Mobs. No, yeah. Just play Super Smash Mobs. They don't know how to do /hub or /lobby. No. Squiddy! Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait, I have a reward. Oh, got it at the last second. Okay, let's do this. I haven't played this game in a long time. Oops, oh no. Huh. What? Oh, I know what game to play. Next. Got him. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you? What? I suck at this game. Or automatic third place if I lose. What does this do? Oh, did I? Oh, that's what. Ooh, this guy's pretty good, I think. Oh no! I'm a failure. You know, this game is really hard. I mean, for me. What do we do with it? Oh yeah, we block with this, right? And then, so we go like this. Ow! Yes! That is awesome. Boom, eat that shotgun. No, 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 no. Run, 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 run. Hey, I got in third place. Okay, next we're going to play Sky Wars. So if this video is under 13 minutes, 14 minutes, then I will not have an intro. I said that last time in the creepy video, the Slitherio one. Wrong side. It's on this side. Sky Wars right here. Let's go. Team or solo? Solo is bannable if you team. Does it matter which round I play? Okay. Okay. Which kit should I be? I should have bought... Ooh, the miner is good. Permanent fast digging 2. That is really good. Start with better tools. This guy is boss, I think. I mean, he looks cool. But I have this one, the Mad Scientist. I think the Chicken Farmer is a great starter. I mean, those eggs, though, those can deal damage. No, I'm going to stick with this guy. Wait. I'll do 2 rounds. This guy first. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, barely. Okay, let's go. Already wasted 2 minutes, and we haven't even gotten to the game yet. Look at that chest right there. Look at these tools. Yeah. Alright, nice. Extremely nice. They're so nice. I can't... Thanks. Bro. If I get knocked off right now, I'm gonna, like... Okay, that's good. That's a good path to have. Wooden sword. I'm keeping my stone axe. It looks better. Is better. I don't need... Why do I need rotten flesh? I mean, I haven't played this Sky Wars. Actually. Isn't there 3 chests? There should always be 3 chests. Even if it's not a Hypixel Sky Wars or whatever. Is there one up here? Ooh, there's vines. Oh, maybe. It's on that platform. Swag, I got this thing. Wait, click. Like, what kind of click? And of course, obviously, there is nothing down here. I don't want this yet. Oh, that chicken just kind of died. Alright, so is there a chest down here? No. I don't play these maps, so dang. There's no chests. Oh snap, there is one right there. Let's take it, conquer it, and own it, and eat it. Let's go. Please have blocks. And there are blocks indeed. Yes. Ooh, fishing rods, strats. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, who's blowing things up? I think I get these every 60 seconds. Huh! Did that? Did I just spawn a chicken? What is that guy doing? Anyway. Oh, look. Yeah. Let's go. That's my zombie. My zombie of awesome. Let's take that. Better sword. Better chest. Oh me. Whatever, man. Whatever. Ugh. These coughs are horrible. Why do you do this to me? Oh my gosh, no. I don't want to make an intro. Those take too long. Ah! Oh, come on. Skywars. I mean, look at the time. 11 minutes and 27 seconds. 29, 30. Okay, time to be the, No, now we have to wait for all the players. Let's be this guy. And once I'm in there, and if I'm, like, editing out stuff, then might as well just add an intro and stuff, you know? Because you're just already there. Look at that 4-block jump. And he makes it without speed. Why do I think I'm in Hypixel? Alright, just momentum it. Ha! Yeah, look at that. Quad jumps. So easy. Like, pressed it. Boom. Boom. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Nope. Didn't work out. What? Okay, yay! Yeah, I did it. Legit. Oh, whoa, we're already in. And it's half a minute until... Come on, chickens. Don't fail me. Don't fail me, chicken. Oops, I'm sorry. Ooh, good chest plate. A good pickaxe. Okay, good. Now let's get some good stuff. Okay, some more of the exact same stuff. This is 4, this one's 5, so I'm gonna take that. Thanks for these eggs. Good! Good, I don't have to smelt them. Yes. I'm a master. And there's a chicken up there. Okay. Oh, this place is like the best place to go. Dang, like... No! Oh! What? What? Did you see that guy? He was like... What? Oh, there's 2 chests down there. I'm gonna win. I'm just gonna win, okay? I don't care if it goes over 14 minutes. If I win this round, I'm not gonna make an intro. You know how annoying those intros are? Oh, he dropped something. An ender pearl. See, look how lucky I am. And I'm getting them leggings dough. Like, what? What is this man's? There we go, nice. What is this man's? Look at all of these chests. Oh, fishing rod strats. Let's go. Like the playa we are. Holy crap. Okay, another pearl of the end. It's okay. Oh my gosh. What is this? Is this 1.9 stuff? So I can like, bruh. And, ooh, one more chest. If I fail that, I was gonna say, if I fail that. Holy crap. Huh. Pearl of Faith. Crap, there's somebody here. There's somebody here, guys. there was somebody on this island that I pearled to. I think it's in Alex. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, did you see that person? Did you see that? Oh, am I not eating this? There we go. That was tasty. Block it. No, 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 I don't want the world to crumble. Bye, chicken. I'm sorry. I had to. It was your destiny to fall down forever. Ha! Zapenia! No, 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 no. Crap. Nope, nope. And I died of fall damage. Well, that was a waste of time. I hate you. Why didn't you go for that man? Why didn't you? Yeah, oh, now you go for that man. Oh, and then you run away like a scared little chicken? Huh? Whatever, brah. Whatever, brah. No, no. Why are these guys so good and decked out? Hypixel Skywars is better. Play on Hypixel so I can beat you up. Oh. Whoa. Straight through. So unlucky. If she moved just a little bit, she could have landed right there. Wow. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did like it. Comment and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a creepy comment, whatever it's called. See you guys in the next one. See you later. Which is what I just said. Okay, bye.